Today, I want to show you a quick and easy way for you to elevate anything that you're going to cook on your grill. Whether it's vegetables, chicken, fish, steaks, anything is going to taste so delicious. I'm making a compound butter that I'm going to keep in my freezer and just take out and slice off a piece of however much I need to flavor anything that I'm going to be cooking on the grill this summer. I'm starting with a stick of unsalted butter that's been sitting out on my counter for a couple of hours and it's very soft. You do want your butter to be very soft when making this compound butter because you're going to mix everything into the butter. To that, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of salt because it is unsalted. I'm also going to crush into the butter 2 cloves, large cloves, of garlic. This is going to be garlicky, salty deliciousness. 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 cup of freshly chopped, finely chopped fresh cilantro, the zest and the juice of 1 lime. This is one of those occasions when being able to smell through the video would be such a gift because the aromas that you can smell as you're making this compound butter are wonderful with the lime zest and the lime juice, the cilantro, the chili powder, the pepper. It's all wafting through the air, and you just know that when you use this on your grilled food, it's going to be delicious. So the goal here is to mix this all together really, really well. And you just do that by pressing a spoon into the butter and mixing all of the ingredients into it. Sometimes it can be a little bit hard just because butter doesn't want to accept the lime juice, but you just keep at it. It will take you just about 2 or 3 minutes to mix all of the ingredients together well, and then you're going to lay the butter out onto a piece of plastic wrap, and we're going to mold it into a log. And you can do that just by rolling the plastic wrap on itself. And then just tying up the ends. And then you're going to pop this roll into your freezer to freeze. Then you'll be able to slice off pieces as you need them to place on top of grilled chicken, fish, steaks. Toss it with some grilled vegetables, all very delicious.